So in this direction, we're told to find the total surface area of a cylinder given a particular radius or diameter and a given height. And we want to follow these directions to draw the figure, label it, draw a net and label it, write an expression in words, we'll plug in the values from the net and then calculate. So here's my cylinder, and the figure is drawn, it's labeled, so the next thing I need to do is to draw the net. And as we discussed, when you have a cylinder, it's the same thing. The lateral area, that is the side area, turns out to be a rectangle. And that rectangle has the same height, so there's the height of my cylinder. And this length here is the circumference. So there's the top of the can, there's the bottom of the can or the cylinder, and its radius is 1 6/10. So if the circumference is pi times the diameter, that means this length here is going to be 3.14 pi times the diameter, which is twice the radius, or 3 2/10. So I have a height of 3.5, I have a length that's pi, 3.14 times the diameter, twice the radius. So we've drawn the net, we've labeled it, let's write an expression. So it looks like I have two circles. I need to find the area of two circles plus a rectangle. Okay, so I have twice, the area of a circle is pi times r squared, and they want us to use this value for pi, and the radius is 1 6/10, so 1 6/10 squared. My rectangle, and to that I have to add the rectangle, which has a height of 3 5/10, and its length is the circumference of the circle, or as we noted earlier, pi times the diameter. So now I've plugged in the numbers. Now I simply need to do is calculate. So if I slide this over so you can see this all together. So I will plug in 2 times 3.14 times the radius squared. So there's my 1.6 squared. To this I have to add 3.5 times 3.14 times 3.2. And when I enter, I get a value of 51.244. I'll do it to 3 digits. And we're dealing in meters, so this would be meters squared. If I round this to the nearest tenth, I'm going to get 51 2/10 meters squared.